Ready to conquer the USA with the ultimate solo travel hacks? Strap in, because we're about to unveil a treasure trove of insider tips that will transform your solo escapade into an unforgettable masterpiece. Stick to the video till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hello and welcome to the Travels Smart YouTube channel. If you're as passionate about exploring as we are, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you won't miss a single travel gem we're about to share. And if you're new here, a heartfelt welcome to our Travel Smart family, where we transform solo travel into a masterpiece of discovery. Alright, let's dive straight into the goldmine of solo travel hacks for your epic USA adventure. Hack number 1, research and plan ahead. Solo travel can be incredibly rewarding, and planning ahead is your secret weapon. Research your destinations thoroughly, from the iconic landmarks to hidden gems. Map out your activities, create a rough itinerary, and note down essential information like opening hours and local customs. This not only boosts your confidence, but also maximizes your time exploring and minimizing any travel hiccups. Hack number 2, pack light and smart. Embrace the art of minimalist packing. Before you start tossing everything into your backpack, lay out all the items you think you need, and then have it. Stick to versatile clothing pieces that can be mixed and matched to create various outfits. Remember, a lighter backpack means greater freedom to explore without the burden of excess baggage. Hack number 3, choose accommodations wisely. Opt for accommodations that offer a blend of safety, convenience, and social interaction. Hotels, boutique hotels, and shared homestays can provide a platform to connect with fellow travelers, enhancing your solo journey. Look for reviews that mention a friendly atmosphere or communal spaces. These are often great indicators of places where you can make new friends and share experiences. Hack number 4, stay connected and stay safe. While solo travel is all about independence, it's crucial to maintain a connection with your loved ones. Before you set off, share your itinerary, accommodations, and contact details with a trusted friend or family member. Regular check-ins, whether through messaging apps or calls, provide an extra layer of security during your solo adventure. Hack number 5, embrace local transportation. Public transportation isn't just cost-effective, it's also a fantastic way to experience a destination like a local. Research the local transport options available in each city you visit, from buses and subways to trams and trolleys. Not only using local transportation saves you money, but it also offers you a glimpse into daily lives of the people who call that place home. Hack number 6, learn basic phrases. A little effort goes a long way when it comes to connecting with locals. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language, such as greetings, thank you, and asking for directions, can bridge cultural gaps and earn your respect. Even if you're not fluent, your attempts to communicate in their language will be appreciated and often lead to more authentic interactions. Hack number 7, capture memories with confidence. One of the joys of solo travel is having the freedom to explore at your own pace. Don't hesitate to ask locals or fellow travelers to take photos of you against iconic backdrops or in front of stunning landscapes. These snapshots will become cherished memories of your journey and remind you that you're capable of navigating the world on your terms. Hack number 8, trust your instincts. Your intuition is your greatest ally. As a solo traveler, you have the advantage of being fully in tune with your surroundings. Trust your gut feeling when making decisions, whether it's choosing a place to eat, exploring a new neighborhood, or interacting with strangers. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to change your plans or seek help. Number 9, venture beyond touristy spots. While iconic landmarks are a must-see, one of the joys of solo travel is the opportunity to explore off the beaten path. Seek out local markets, parks, and cozy cafes that might not be on the usual tourist route. These hidden gems often offer a more authentic and intimate experience, allowing you to connect with the local culture and people. Hack number 10, embrace solo dining. Dining alone can be a liberating experience. Don't let the fear of eating by yourself hold you back. Take this time to savor the flavors of your destination, enjoy the ambiance, and reflect on your experiences. It's also a great opportunity to strike up conversations with restaurant staff or fellow diners, leading to unexpected connections and insights. And there you have it, fellow explorers, our top 10 solo travel hacks for an exhilarating USA escapade. Remember, embarking on a solo journey isn't just about discovering new places, it's about discovering yourself. If these solo travel hacks resonated with you, show some love by giving us a thumbs up and sharing your own solo travel tips in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can join us on our next travel adventure. Until next time, stay smart and travel savvy with Travel Smart.